You know, it really seems like SHIB wants to break this resistance in a bad way. And when it can finally make this confirmed move, that can open up the door for SHIB to make some more sizable pushes to the upside. Now, I want to actually take you guys through this breakdown that I found that I thought was very good. Want to highlight just a few other charts here as well. So if you guys are new or haven't already, show your support for the channel down below. Hit that subscribe button, that bell. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So yes, I love what SHIB is doing here. Even today, we're up 0.85% while we're seeing some red in the crypto market. SHIB had a great Thanksgiving, closing up almost 2%. Again, coming back to the trend here. We're actually, it looks like breaking out of a bit of an ascending triangle here, which is a bullish formation, which, wow, if I could draw, I can't draw. There is our formation. So we're trying to do that right now. And we're again trying to get back to this 200-day moving average, trying to get back, I'm sorry, our 50-day moving average, we're trying to get back to this longer term support level here, support resistance level. So that is something that could happen, I think, a lot sooner than people think. But what I do want to highlight is actually this breakdown from a market Coinpedia or Coinpedia markets. And what it said, Shiba Inu attempts trend stabilization as key levels come into focus. SHIB price broke out of its November downtrend, bouncing from 5078 to 5089 and holding above the short-term trend line for the first time in weeks. SHIB is trading at 5087, posing a modest 1.95% gain in the last 24 hours. Despite the bounce, SHIB remains inside a broader multi-month downtrend with the long-term structure still unconfirmed. On the daily chart, the token is showing early signs of stabilization as it holds above immediate supports and is trying to visit the multi-month trend line near 5098. This level must be broken for SHIB before SHIB can attempt a critical resistance zone at 401023 and 401072, a zone that triggered every major SHIB rally in 2024 through 2025. Until this region is reclaimed, the overall structure remains neutral. A clean breakout above this zone should indicate the next rally towards 4015 to 4017 over the next 6 to 8 weeks. Additionally, Shiba Inu confirmed a new partnership with Token Play AI to expand real utility to SHIB holders through AI-powered gaming integrations. The small but meaningful catalyst strengthens the SHIB's long-term use case narrative. The meme coin sector is also showing early stabilization with meme coin market cap rising over the past week, up 3.5% in 1 week. Obviously, SHIB has gained much more than that. I think it's up over 10%, adding supportive sentiment to SHIB's recovery attempt. So yes, SHIB has been one of the better performers in the meme coin sector over the last week. It's showing more stability than other assets. And it's not really surprising because, again, SHIB is continuing to gain holders. We're continuing to see exchange supply just dwindle and dwindle and dwindle, almost new all-time lows every single day. And actually, again, if we're looking at the SHIB ETH chart, it's showing a lot of strength. It's looking like it wants to, in fact, break this trend. And the last time, obviously, SHIB had a confirmed breach, oh, if I could get to the right zones, above this 100-day moving average here versus Ethereum. It obviously was from March of 2025 through basically late April, where SHIB did well. We saw the same thing again back here in late 2024. SHIB went on a nice rally through the end of the year, and showing these similar signs in terms of BTC here as well. So right now, understand that in terms of the charts and the fundamentals, everything is starting to look really good for Shiba Inu, and it's going to be very interesting if we can actually get a capital rotation to SHIB that's kind of unexpected, kind of like we did back in February through March of 2024. That could be a pretty interesting moment for SHIB, and maybe even bring some people back that haven't been in Shiba Inu for a while. But that's what we got to watch for. SHIB still has some work to do. Again, we're not out of the woods yet. Obviously, a broader crypto market downturn could drag everything down if BTC decides to, instead of attacking this 20-day moving average and this 386 level here, decides to run back down to its 236. That's not something that SHIB is going to love there, but we'll just have to watch and wait and see how we get through the end of this week, see how we get into the early part of next week, and that could be a big moment for the market. So I appreciate you guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below, but have a great day. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care.